today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone accounts and related records using Salesforce Flow. First, log into your Salesforce org. We're going to build an automation that duplicates an account and carries over key related information. In Flow, cloning means using the original account as the source, then creating a new account record with the same values, and optionally pulling in related references so the clone is consistent with the original. From the Salesforce home screen, open Setup, then look for the Advanced Setup area. In the Quick Find box, type Flows and open the Flows page. Click New Flow. In the Flow type picker, choose Triggered Automations, then select Record Triggered Flow. This lets your flow run automatically when an account is created or updated, depending on your configuration. Set the object to account so the flow knows which records will fire the automation. On the canvas, click the plus icon to add your first element and choose Get Records. Get Records is how Flow queries Salesforce data at runtime. We'll use it to fetch the account we want to clone and any values we plan to reuse. Give the element a clear label. The API name will fill in automatically. Select Account as the object to query. Add a filter using Record Type ID. Filtering by record type helps you target only the accounts that should be cloned, which keeps the automation safe and predictable. For your filter values, reference fields from the triggering account. You'll see options like the triggering account record and related IDs, such as a contact ID lookup if you need it. When selecting the value, choosing entire resource tells Flow to bind to the whole triggering record context, ensuring the filter references are accurate. Back on the canvas, click the plus icon again and select Create Records. This action inserts new records in Salesforce, in our case, the cloned account. Give it a descriptive label. The API name will auto-populate. For field values, point to the account record you retrieved in Get Records. This ensures the new account inherits fields such as name, type, record type, and any other mapped data you decide to carry over. You can refine mappings later to include or exclude specific fields as needed. Click Save. Give your flow a meaningful flow label so admins can recognize its purpose at a glance. The API name fills in automatically. Finally, click Save again to store your work. That's it. Your record-triggered flow now knows how to clone an account and reuse related values from the source. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.